Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this week's edition of What is in My Flyers. And of course, more specifically, we're looking for coupons/inserts. A lot of you have asked me, where do I get my inserts from? Well, the inserts themselves, I get them in my weekly flyers that are delivered to my door every Thursday night, sometimes Friday morning, sometimes even Friday night. So yes, they come in my flyers, not every week, of course, but that is how I get inserts. And regular coupons, I can either print out coupons from the computer from the several websites, or I pick them up from coupon boards at local Loblaws, Superstore, No Frills, Metro, Sobeys, and so on and so forth. But yes, today specifically we're speaking of inserts, and those come inserted in my flyers. So let's see what we received this week. So this is the Retail Me Not Everyday insert. And at the very front of the insert, you'll see there's save 50 cents on the purchase of any Activia yogurt from Danone. So there's two of those coupons. On the next page, you'll see save $3 off when you buy any Dove Derma Plus Care anti-dandruff product, men's or women's. And again, you get $3 off. So that's definitely a high value coupon in my opinion. The expiry date is December 31st. On the next page, you'll see $1 off of the purchase of any One Kind product. And it's these bars here. And this is, to me, again, another high value coupon because a lot of times they go on sale for 99 cents. So with this $1 off coupon, they will be free. Now, we do have to pay particular attention to the Kind bars because a lot of stores only carry the boxes of Kind bars. So you want to purchase them where they are individually sold. For example, Metro is individually sold. So that would be virtually free, and that has an expiry date of January 31st. On the next page, you'll see save 75 cents and $1 off of the gum flossers and the gum soft picks with an expiry date of the end of the year, December 31st. Moving on, you'll save $2 and save $1 off one Nature's Truth vitamin or supplement. And on this side here, it's aromatherapy product. For the shrimp lover in us, there's some Red Lobster coupons. This one is a new one, 10% off of takeout orders. And these are the standard $3 and $5 off. You'll save $5 and $4 off on Zach's Original Dark Spot or Dark Circle Eye Cream. Those are pretty standard. Moving on, we have save $3 when you buy one Venus disposable razor. Save $2 when you buy any one Venus refillable razor. Save $3 when you buy any one Gillette refillable or disposable razor. And save $4 when you buy any one Gillette blade refills, 8-count pack or larger. And there's some advertisement for children's magazines. And we have some more advertisement here. And some more here. And that's it. So that is what was in my flyers this week. Let me know down below if you received the same set of inserts or maybe you received new inserts. So again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. Happy saving, happy couponing. Hope you're getting great deals. And like always, I will talk to you on my next video. Bye everyone.